All right, so today we are starting our discussion on SMART goal setting. Last week we talked about decision making. So just keeping that in the back of your mind as you are continuing on. And actually, when we are doing our goal setting, it is going to take a few days where we are going to first talk about it. You're going to be able to create some, and then we're going to look at some supports and barriers in the coming lessons so that you can create your own SMART goals that you can work on short term and long term for that matter. So I happen to be on first hour's distance learning class, but this is also for my kids who are learning from home. So when you click on Google Classroom, there is your typical task list sheet as well as a SMART goal setting notes sheet. You will need that to take notes during the video lesson. So if you open up your task list, you will see that our learning targets for the day are that you can describe what a SMART goal is, complete the SMART goal setting note sheet, think of 2 SMART goals in your personal life, and then you will finish off the day by getting away from your screens and doing something active. Again, if you ever need ideas, you can use this physical fitness resource page, but you absolutely don't have to if you do other things. So first things first is you are going to go back to your daily health journal that you've been working on all unit. You should have 4 done, and you're going to answer the following 3 questions. How does social media affect our decisions? What are 2 positives of using social media? And what are 2 negatives of using social media? So we're just kind of wrapping up our decision-making talk before we get into SMART goal setting. Then here is a link to a video lesson where I go through the SMART goal setting PowerPoint. We kind of walk through, you take notes. I kind of have you shown in the video, splitting the screen so that you can see both, and you should be filling in the note sheet. Once that is done, then you need to make sure you turn in your note sheet, just because that is how I am tracking your participation in today's lesson. And then obviously it's really important that you take notes, because any notes you take you can use on the quiz that will be at the end of the unit. Please reach out if you have any questions about what the day looks like. Have a good one.